So now I already like put it in, turned it the other way, and pinned it. Remember I told you guys I was going to do that? And so when you pin it, it come up on the inside. And then I just turned it, pin it. So then you just have to stitch it along here and along here to reinforce it. And then we're going to stitch it right across the top. It just says like right here, so it stays there. So let me go ahead and do that. Let's see how it's gonna look. I know I always put my pins in wrong. I know, so when I get there, I'm just gonna pull it out. So it says stitch on the same thread. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so about 5 in, backspace. And then back in. Probably when I get better at this, I will sew faster. But right now, no, because we don't want to make a mess. Pull the pin out. And I just think when I pin this way, it just stays nice and flat like that. So you just go right over the same stitching that you did before. And it's nice and straight, so you just want to go over that same little stitching. And let me look at the picture. It just shows like right here. You just stitch right here. And you put in the front. Okay, and then let me just pull that needle right on out. Drop it in the box. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and back stitch it. And then back to the front. Okay, and then take it out. And then hold it. Okay, I look at, I'm checking the thread. Make sure nothing broke. Make sure this thread on my bobbin. And then just like pull it through with it. Okay. So the next one I'm going to do is this side right here. This side is done. That's as far down as you need to sew. Okay, then just go on and cut threads. And then you can like cut your threads. I'm going to cut threads better like when we get done and I want to try it on. Then I'll go through and cut all the threads all nice. Right now, I'm just cutting these threads. And this is the front. And then again, you guys know I have my big old trash can over here. Just throw it so you don't have so much junk. Okay, so now that side is done. So like this is the front of the dress, see? And it's all nice and neat. Right there, I think I pinched it just a little bit because the material is so thin. But it doesn't matter because this here is gonna go to the back. So I'm gonna sew the back on there so you won't see how I pinched a little thread in the top. It won't be there. Okay, so again, you guys know I put these needles in backwards because you know I'm special. So you just like flip them. Okay, flip them and then look on this side. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to be right back. Because you know as a woman we do 20 million thousand things. I'm frying hamburgers and sewing. So I'll be back in a second. Hold on. Okay, so now we just need to do this side over here. Again, you're just going to sew straight down right here. I already put it in, but I don't like where the needle is hitting. I kind of like to put my needle in, then I know like it's going in the right spot. Okay, so here we go. And then you just back up because you want to be reverse and then let it go. I don't want it to wrinkle in the front, so I'm making sure that it's straight. I don't know, my fabric is so thin. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I didn't notice that I was getting close to the needle, so I'm gonna just go right in there and pull her on out. Put the foot back down. Okay, take this one out and then go down just a little bit farther. Kind of look where I went on this one. A little bit, oh, almost there. Okay, so just kind of almost, and then I'm gonna back up in a minute, reverse. There we go. And reverse that. Okay, so I'm all done with this. So the next step says for us to get the back. We're gonna stay stitch the top of the back, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the dress together. So let me go ahead and pin everything, cut threads, and get everything ready. I shall return.